What is the true definition of a good baker? Some define from the appetizing look, others define from the taste. But we believe a good baker starts their masterpiece using the finest ingredients. And that's the reason why we are here. With a vision to be bakers' first choice, ARES KUSUMA RAYA has been renowned as a premium chocolate factory in Indonesia since 1981. As our commitment to understand and fulfill what bakers need, we produce a wide range of high-grade chocolate material products, from chocolate compound, chocolate sprinkles, chocolate glaze, and many more, covering everything you need for your baking needs. For more than 40 years, we've been trusted by thousands of food and beverage businesses, from small baking retails, local pastry shops, cafes, home industries, and multi-industry national brands, making our journey rich with valuable experiences, accomplishments, and advancements. These are all possible as we always put customer satisfaction as a #1 priority. We take on board every aspiration, idea, and even little things that matter to our bakers. Our R&D specialists will always bring you up-to-date and innovative solutions, empowering bakers with limitless inspirations. Here in ARES KUSUMA RAYA, we only use 5-star quality raw materials, carefully processed using top-notch processing machines from Germany, Switzerland, and the Netherlands. Not only that, every process is thoroughly monitored by our quality control experts to ensure the highest standards of hygiene. As the F&B sectors grow, we look forward to stretching our arms and embracing more markets. We have established Global Food Safety Management Certification ISO 22000, FDA, and Halal certification. As part of our mission to empower everyone to bake, we proudly provide bakers with customized and practical baking demonstrations by our chocolate masters, equipping bakers with creative skills to develop state-of-the-art baked goods using our friendly-to-use chocolates. As a group of bakers, our mission is greater than just creating great chocolates, but to create great bakers from Indonesia to the world. We are ARES KUSUMA RAYA, the baker's first choice.